Hello, guys. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. So, we're going to talk about this dress that's in the process that I'm going to make. Gino, want to say hello? Okay, Gino, come on. You do this every time the video start. Gino wants to say hello. He's excited about the dress that we're going to make. Okay, now there you go. Go have a seat. Thank you very much. So, it's going to be like a skater skirt, but the only difference is I'm going to do the triangle piece, and then I'm going to have the back to crisscross like this and connect to the waistband, okay? So these is different layers, okay? So the organza is not going to go on the top. The organza is going to go on the bottom. So kind of like I cut my pieces and decide what I'm going to do. So I had already cut the organza. So this is the circle skirt part, guys. So when you making your skirt, you make it your measurements going all the way around. Boom. That's the circle. So if your measurements is like my waist is 28 inches, you don't want to cut this exactly 28 inches. So cut it about 32, 33, because when you fold over and put the zipper in, it's going to get smaller. So cut it about 2 to 3 inches bigger than your waistline because you want to have that room. And this piece does not have any spandex in it, so you definitely want to cut it a little bigger so that you can be able to put the zipper in. So the same thing, guys, y'all do the skater skirt. You do your measurements at the top. Go on YouTube, put in the skater skirt. You put your measurements down 28 inches. So remember, cut it 28. I'll cut it like 2 inches bigger because when you fold over the raw edge and when you put the zipper in, it's going to get smaller. So if you cut it exactly 28 inches, then when you get ready to try to zip it, the skirt is going to be too small. So give yourself a seam allowance. So this is the waistband, and you want to get some interfacing. So if you do a spandex dress, if your dress, this dress has no spandex. If you do a spandex dress, then you guys will be fine with the, with the waist measurement. But this is the waistband for the dress. It's the waistband, and I iron interface, and so you can make the waistband as wide as you want, as wide, or if you want it, not as wide, smaller wide. So again, we're going to talk about the breast pieces. So remember I say the triangle. So the bigger your breast, guys, you're going to cut the triangle piece bigger. So with this particular dress that we're going to make, because this is not a spandex fabric, this particular fabric is going to need some darts in it so it can curve around your breast. If not, it's going to look kind of weird. So remember, you cut this triangle piece the size of your breast. So if you see, I got a pin sitting right down here because I'm going to put darts in there so that it will curve around. And remember, when we doing the breast thing, so you see I got it pinned because I'm going to put like a breast dart so it can curve around. So remember, if you want to show more cleavage, then you space it out farther apart. Less cleavage, you bring it closer together. I want mine more closer together like that. Y'all see that? And then once you put the waistband in the zipper, you're going to make 2 ties to go on it. So you make the ties and, crisscross it to the waistband. And so one side over here, one side over there to the waistband. And that's how this particular dress will look. So it's a skater skirt, the same, kind of just like the other one. But instead of doing them long ties, we're doing the triangle pieces. And remember, if you got big breasts, we need you to make these bigger. If you got smaller breasts, you make these smaller. And then the skater skirt. So the organza is going to go underneath. So I just kind of cut my stuff and kind of pin it. So this is the top of the skirt. The organza is going to go underneath. And to be honest, I don't want my skirt to be like this. I don't think it's okay, but it's just not, that's not really cute and sexy to me. So I'm going to cut it a little bit, make it a little bit shorter. And then organza is going to go underneath to give it more volume. So if you want a lot more volume, I just did 4 yards of organza. And I'm actually thinking that I want to go get more because I kind of want the skirt to have like a lot of volume, like a lot. So I might go get some tulle. So underneath, this will be underneath the red. So I kind of feel like I wanted to have like some volume. So I hope that that was easy and understandable for you guys, so you guys can make your own skater skirts and stuff like that. So I'm just going to pin this back on here. And when I get ready to put this together, and then when it's all said, done, and over, I'll show you guys what it looked like. So I don't know if you guys been following me. I do have a TikTok channel. So over here, y'all know the A. Marie, the wig lady, to be this certain type of way. On my TikTok channel, A. Marie Full Lace Wigs, I'm lit over there, guys. I'm in my fun, quirky, crazy ways. So I have a good time over there. So if you guys want to check me out on TikTok, that's where I do a lot of, and then you don't get hit with the copyright infringements. Like when you play music over here, you get boom, you're not gonna, if your channel is monetized, you won't get the revenue from that because you're using the sound. But on TikTok, you can dance and use the sound. So it's like, that's my marketing place. I do these little quirky dances, and no, I don't think I know how to dance, guys. I don't think that. I just do my quirky dances, and I have fun with it. I do the little quirky dances, and I have a lot of fun with it. So I hope you guys are having a great day. So I hope that this project that I just explained, you guys know now how it's put together. And the last thing for me to do is just to sew it. So you guys have an awesome, awesome day. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.